Hi, this is Mir alias Gary.
And I'm Adam Watson from Creiland Consultants Realty.
Welcome to our latest listing at 130 Wright Boulevard in Stratford, Ontario. Listed for $12,250,000 or $154 per square foot.
This building consists of 79,500 square feet and is located on 8 acres of land. Lots of room for expansion. In addition to that, it is located in Ontario's premier automobile hub.
Come on over, let's give you a tour.
This is a place where anything is possible. We've transformed into a world leader in digital infrastructure with smart technologies that support and nurture local businesses. The air crackles with energy and growth in advanced manufacturing and innovation. Companies with global reach are investing here because we've built the foundations for success. Being located in Canada's leading manufacturing area provides a huge sector advantage, and our skilled workforce spans the disciplines from advanced robotics, aerospace, auto parts manufacturing, and finance.